In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your GoDaddy dashboard and delete or unpublish your Airo website. If you no longer need your Airo website or you simply want to take it offline for now, GoDaddy gives you a straightforward way to do that from your dashboard. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can complete the process smoothly and with confidence. To begin, sign into your GoDaddy account and open your dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for your Airo website in your list of products or website tools. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct site, especially if you manage more than one website in the same account. This is important because the next actions will apply only to the site you open. After you've located your Airo website, go into the Site Settings area. From there, look for Settings and then open Site Actions. This section contains management options for the website, including the controls for taking the site down. Depending on what you want to do, you may see an option to delete site or unpublish. If you choose unpublish, your website will be taken offline so visitors can no longer access it publicly, but this may be useful if you only want to remove it from view temporarily. If you choose delete site, that usually means you're removing the website more permanently. Before clicking either option, it's a good idea to pause and make sure you've chosen the one that matches your goal. Once you click delete site or unpublish, GoDaddy will ask you to confirm your request. This confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental changes, so read the prompt carefully before proceeding. If everything looks correct, confirm the action to complete the process. After that, your request will be processed and your Airo website will either be unpublished or deleted depending on the option you selected. If you're unsure whether the change went through, give the dashboard a moment to update and then check the site status again. That's all it takes to remove or hide your Airo website from your GoDaddy dashboard. If you're making a permanent change, it's always smart to double check that you won't need the site content later before confirming deletion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.